Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Apple ID suggestion notification on iPhone and iPad in iOS 15. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID suggestion. Tap OK. Tap Wi-Fi. Connect your Wi-Fi. Then go back. Tap Apple ID suggestion. Tap OK. Tap change phone number. Change your phone number. Tap done. Problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video.